Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open multiple charts on Metatrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads up, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the Market Watch panel. This panel displays all the available trading symbols and instruments you can analyze and trade. It's essentially your gateway to accessing different currency pairs, stocks, or commodities within the platform. Now, if you don't see the Market Watch panel on your screen, don't worry. Simply navigate to the top menu bar and click on View. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Market Watch. This will instantly display the panel on the left side of your interface, giving you access to all available trading instruments. With the Market Watch panel now visible, you can start adding charts to your workspace. Here's where it gets really straightforward. Simply locate the symbol you want to analyze. For example, if you're interested in trading UR/USD or any other currency pair, find it in the Market Watch list. Once you've found your desired symbol, click and hold on it. Then drag it over to the main chart section in the center of your screen. As soon as you release it, a new chart window will open displaying that symbol's price movements and candlestick patterns. The beauty of Metatrader 5 is that you can repeat this process as many times as you need. Want to monitor UR/USD, GBP/USD, and gold all at the same time? No problem. Just keep dragging different symbols from the Market Watch panel onto your chart area, and each one will open as a separate chart window. This allows you to track multiple markets simultaneously and spot trading opportunities across different instruments without constantly switching between charts. Now, once you've opened multiple charts, you might notice they're overlapping or arranged in a way that makes them difficult to view all at once. That's where Metatrader 5's grid feature comes in handy. Look at the top toolbar and you'll see a grid icon. Click on it and the platform will automatically arrange all your open charts in a neat, organized grid layout. This ensures each chart is visible and sized proportionally, making it much easier to monitor multiple markets at the same time without any clutter or confusion. And that's it. You now have multiple charts running simultaneously on Metatrader 5, perfectly organized for efficient market analysis. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.